These days, it's pretty easy to find ourselves trapped in routines and habits that hold us back from reaching our full potential. And that's why today we'll be delving into the signs that indicate that you might be stuck and some actionable steps to help you break out of the survival trap. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Enahoro Okhae, your emotional intelligence application coach and performance management expert. Survival and thriving is one thing, but being trapped sounds so far off from that concept. So what's this all about? Being trapped. Let's jump right in. First of all, let's start by understanding what the survival trap is all about. Essentially, it is a state of being where you feel stagnant, uninspired, lacking fulfillment despite going through the motions of daily life. You might find yourself settling for mediocrity or avoiding risk and clinging to comfort zones out of fear of the unknown. So how do you know if you're stuck in the survival trap? There are several signs to look out for. One common indicator is feeling you are on autopilot, just passing through every day without any real passion or purpose for anything. Another sign is persistent feeling of dissatisfaction or emptiness, even when everything seems fine on the surface. You might find yourself constantly seeking distraction to escape this underlying sense of unease. Additionally, you may notice a lack of motivation or enthusiasm for things that used to excite you. Hobbies, interests, and goals that once brought you joy may now feel like a burden or obligation. Procrastination and avoidance behavior are also telltale signs of being stuck in the survival trap. You might find yourself putting off important tasks or avoiding challenges altogether because you're afraid of failure or simply afraid of change, or because you're just tired. These signs can manifest in various areas of your life, including your career, your relationships, your personal growth, your fulfillment, even your health and well-being. You see, I understand you're not alone. It's not a peculiar challenge. The best of us find ourselves sometimes in such situation. And the good news is that recognizing that you might be in a survival trap is the first step towards breaking free from the survival trap. In emotional intelligence, this skill is called recognized patterns. It's a powerful self-awareness skill. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to like and subscribe. Now sit tight, because I'm about to walk you through some self-management strategies for breaking out of the survival trap and reclaiming your passion, purpose, and fulfillment. Once you have identified the sign of being stuck in the survival trap, it's time to take action. Breaking free requires courage, increased self-awareness, and that willingness to embrace change through intentional choices. Why should you break free from this trap? Because you have a beautiful life ahead of you. So on to strategy 1. Challenge your limiting beliefs and thought patterns. It is our negative thoughts and fears that keeps us stuck in the survival trap, and it is caused by repeated events or one major event in your life. So practice self-reflection, see yourself and identify those beliefs that are holding you back. Then actively Work to replace them with more empowering beliefs that align with your goals and aspiration. Imagine letting go of your public speaking goals because you are thinking, I'll embarrass myself or I'll forget what to say. Imagine giving up your fitness goals because you feel I'm not strong enough or people will be staring at me. What are those limiting beliefs that you carry? Is it that people will make fool of you, or that you're not beautiful enough, or that you failed several times? Why try again? These are terrible, disempowering beliefs. And while life will throw you disempowering beliefs, you have to curate your own empowering beliefs. You see, these thoughts get you nowhere. You end going forward, most likely backward. You are literally just there when you could be so much more. Now, let me know in the comments below, what are some beliefs you feel have been holding you hostage in your current life and the current situation from moving forward? It's time to replace them with the truth of who you are, not the mistakes you've made or what people said to you about you. The second strategy for breaking out of this survival trap is stepping out of your comfort zones and embracing new experiences. And this is critical. You need to teach your brain new experiences so that you'll be able to move forward. Growth and change happen when we push ourselves beyond perceived limits. This means taking calculated risks, trying new things, and embracing the unknown. You lack initiative and growth mentality when you prefer the comfort of a known present to the possibilities lying in an unknown future. While we may feel some discomfort in trying new things, it is a sign of progress. You need to take your fish out of water. It is a sign of progress indicating that we are expanding our horizon and challenging ourselves. Remember that the next time you feel hesitant or nervous about trying something new, it is a natural path to the journey towards self-improvement, and that's probably the best time and the best sign you need to take that action. The third step is to prioritize your self-care and well-being. When we are stuck in the survival trap, we often neglect our physical, emotional, and mental health. Make time for activities that nourish your body, your mind, and your soul. Whether it is exercise, meditation, or spending times with loved ones, prioritize activities that recharge and rejuvenate you. Remember, investing in your self-care isn't selfish. It's an essential component of cultivating and fulfilling a balanced life. Step 4 is to seek support from others who can help you on your journey. Surround yourself with positive, uplifting people who believe in your potential and encourage you to grow. Consider seeking guidance from mentors, coaches, or therapists who can provide valuable insight and support as you navigate the challenges of releasing yourself from the routine and all that is associated with being stuck in that trap. We can use an example of you feeling stuck in your career, unsure of how to progress or how to change, and then you decide to join a professional networking group where you meet individuals who are passionate about their own work and their own career, and they are ready to support other people's work and career aspiration. Through engaging with this kind of community, you are likely to find that encouragement, motivation, enthusiasm that you have been lacking to pursue your own goals. So that's a very simple example. Now, last but not the least, step 5, stay committed to your growth journey. I mean, at the end of the day, it's you, it's your journey, it's about you. Breaking out of survival trap won't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and persistence, because you didn't get into the trap overnight. Be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself, celebrate your little progress and keep moving forward one step at a time. By implementing these strategies and staying committed to your growth, you can break free from the survival trap and create a life filled with passion, purpose, and fulfillment. Remember, you have the power to change your circumstances and create that life that you truly desire and desire. If you have enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more insights into your personal and professional development. Until the next episode, I'm Enahoro Okhae. Keep practicing emotional intelligence.